Hello everybody and welcome back. This is Python baby steps. So if you're a complete beginner, this is the place for you. Okay, before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, today we're going to do if else. So let's start. Very simple example. So age is equal to int. So that's integer input. So integer just means a whole number, so we're dealing with numbers here rather than with string data. So this is numbers. So the input, we'll grab the user input, whatever the user types into the box. So we're going to ask the user to print in some input. So enter a number. So the user knows that they've got to enter a number into here. Okay, so we'll just close that off. And now we're going to come down to the if statement. So if age here, which is going to be the end entry, is greater than or equal to, say equal to 18, we're going to tell the user something. I'm going to say print you can drink in the US. I think it's 21 in some states, I'm not sure. Actually I'll say the UK because it's 18 in the UK. Will be more accurate there. Okay, so else, if the user isn't 18, isn't older than 18 or equal to 18, we're going to put else, and this is like a catch all. Print you can't drink. Okay, now all we're going to do is just save this and we're going to run the program. So here we go. Enter a number. I should have said enter an age, but let's say 2. You can't drink. Well, obviously you can't at 2 years of age, unless you drink milk, of course. Right, let's have a look. Let's say 21. You can drink in the UK, yeah, and let's try it again with 18. So here we go, 18, and yes, you can drink in the UK. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. So remember to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.